Flycam's HD 5000 Steadicam with comfort arm and vest. Known for its immense stability and considered the best affordable and portable Steadicam system on the market. This versatile Steadicam includes a comfort arm and vest, bonus quick release, heavy-duty clamp, and protective storage case. The lightweight Steadicam features a sturdy camera platform and bottom base with a micro-balancing mechanism. The camera platform accommodates a variety of cameras, rotational gimbal for easy control over movement, telescopic posts for different heights, and accurate balancing. The lightweight and durable arm features an adjustable shock-absorbing spring that gives the operator the flexibility to capture the smoothest high and low angle shots. The versatile vest provides comfort for extended shooting hours and ensures a universal fit for all body types. So get ready to capture stable and smooth shots on the go. Flycam, advancing day by day.